Welcome to Lifestyle Home Service. Home and office cleaning in Abbotsford and Chilliwack. We are the Fraser Valley's top professional cleaning company. We've been proudly serving the Abbotsford and Chilliwack areas since 2011. Today, we offer services such as regularly scheduled cleanings, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, move-ins, move-outs, on-call, detailed spring cleaning, and special events cleaning. We often get questions from our clients on our services and how we do things. One popular question is, how much does it cost to clean a business in Chilliwack? The answer is, every business location is different, with unique requirements and conditions. We recommend calling us for a quote that's free of charge at 604-425-1123. We are always sure to take special care and attention to your personal requests. We offer our clients peace of mind, as well as reliability, efficiency, trust, and 100% satisfaction guaranteed with every clean. Our reputation is founded on satisfied clients. Call us today at 604-425-1123 or email us via lifestylehomeservice.com to receive a no-obligation free quote or to book an appointment. Get your time back and peace of mind with an amazing clean. www.lifestylehomeservice.com 604-425-1123